Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm very excited because I'm about to unbox my first package from Sigma Beauty. I kept it unopened so I can share the joy. I've been waiting for 6 weeks to receive this package. So if you want to unbox and dig with me, keep on watching. Valeria is my name and let's dig in it. This is the box. I just crack the plastic so we don't have to struggle with the knives. Are you ready? Ooh, here's what we have inside. I'm gonna take it one by one. Number one, what do we have? Well, I decided for the first time in my life to use one of these tools to clean my brushes. It's a Practic by Sigma. In case you didn't know, Sigma Beauty, they have another line which is called Practic. It's more affordable line which they are producing, so the prices are much cheaper than the Sigma tools and things. Practic, and I have more of these things in here, you're gonna see. So this is practically a tool to clean your brushes like this. You can stick your fingers somehow, keep it like this, clean. I usually just use my hand for this procedure, but good to have. I cannot wait to try it. Number two, Power Blender, again by Practic. Green, soft. Oh, we forgot about this. This is like descriptions for all of their brushes. Here is everything. You can have a sneak peek. Another card, product descriptions. Done with this. Let's see what's next. Complexion Air Brush Set. 3 brushes, F80 blend liquid and cream products. It feels quite sturdy and strong, a little heavy. F80. F53, if it's E at the beginning, it stands for eyes. This one is F53. It's an air contour blush. Sweep on blush or bronzer. Very soft, very nice. And the third one from the Complexion Air Brush Set is the F74. Quite sturdy, I like it. Is to apply and blend cream products. Next, we have another brush, which is the Multitasker F47. You can use it for everything if it's multitasker, right? There you go. Very soft bristles. Oh, so nice. Forgot to mention what is Sigma. So Sigma Beauty, it's a very popular brand from US. They are giving a 2 years warranty for these brushes. Next. This one is a brush set, and now let's open it. Very nice package with this. And this is full-size brush holder. It is really sturdy, strong, clips on both sides. And then, surprise! We have 3 brushes, a small card. We have the 3HD Max Kabuki brush. Second one, actually, this is the 3HD Max Kabuki brush. This one, the F50 Duo Fiber. I think I ordered too many foundation brushes. And this is the 3HD. And it has this seal. So it's angled on both sides. Very dense. I think you can get into here. Me like it. And the third one from Alice's favorite set is the crease brush. sturdy but soft. You can get into the crease. I'm gonna have to wash them before I use them, unfortunately. E38. Again, E, if it's E at the beginning, stands for the eyes. F, face. Back. And the last part, the Practic brushes by Sigma. But I think I received a gift, a P80 Precision. This one, it's a gift. I did not order this one. But you can feel this small, nice. And now let's see how is with the Practic. Let's go one by one. The highlighter brush, 1. This one is very soft as well, and the handle is not as heavy and sturdy as the other ones, but it feels strong. It feels like a good brush, you know? And I love the color, it's so cute, one of my favorite colors. Next, we have the shade brush. These ones, they don't have a number, it's just written what you use it for in here. Shade. It feels very soft, but you can feel the plastic, you know? I guess I'm gonna have to use them. Next, we have the pencil brush. Oh, it has a small thing and you can pull it. You don't have to struggle like I do. I think with this one, you can just blend in here or apply very precise eyeshadow. Next and not least, we have the All Star brush set. Now let's dig inside. I'm gonna break my nails. On the back side, we have a description of what's inside. Here is it. Let's start with the bigger one. Blush or powder. Like it. Cannot wait. Let's go for the next one. Oh, foundation. Medium dense. There is more. Large, and I think it's a bit bent. It shouldn't be like this. Large blend brush. So I think you can just blend. This is my first experience with Sigma. This one, it's a shade brush. So I think you can just apply the eyeshadow with this one. Like so. And last, we have the liner brush. Flat and angled. I guess with this one you can do many things, like you can draw the line over here, you can use it for your eyebrows. So these are my Practic brushes, my Multitasker, my Complexion brushes, and the other set. I think I went a bit crazy, even not knowing if I like them or not, because I had no clue if I'm gonna like them or not. It was a risk, but you know, I kind of trusted everybody else because so many people are using them and they are enjoying these brushes. I kind of regret that I didn't order more eye brushes, because you know, we have the tendency when we buy brushes to get the bigger ones. I don't know why. I'm gonna test these brushes in my upcoming videos, and if I do like them, maybe I'm gonna go for more eyeshadow brushes, tiny ones. I want to try those ones. However, I'm very happy with what I got. I paid for them with my credit card, by the way. Nobody sent them my way. I hope you enjoyed with me and you shared my joy. I'm gonna test these brushes. I'm gonna play with them. Let's see if they are gonna make me truly happy. And if you want to see more from me, I'm gonna be here. I'm not going anywhere. I forgot to switch on the light, and I've been doing this video without a light the whole way. Subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care and see you soon. Bye.